This video shows how to perform a suspension job on a 2005 Nissan Pathfinder. We'll install shocks in the rear, but in the front we'll install these Duralast loaded strut assemblies. Now you can do this job at home with hand tools. You'll need a torque wrench, you can borrow that from AutoZone through Loan a Tool, a 1/2-inch breaker bar, a 1/2-inch ratchet, a 3/8 inch ratchet, a 19mm combo wrench, some adjustable pliers, a 19mm deep socket for the 1/2-inch, a 14mm deep sock for the 3/8, a 17mm socket for the 1/2-inch, a 3/8 extension, a 1/2-inch extension, a 19mm socket for the 1/2-inch, a 21mm socket for the 1/2-inch, and some safety gloves and glasses. You'll also need a good hydraulic jack, some jack stands, and wheel chocks. Make sure the car is in park with the parking brake on before starting. To remove the wheel, first break the lug nuts. Jack up the vehicle from a secure point and place it on a jack stand. Remove the lug nuts and the wheel. Place the jack underneath the knuckle for support. Use a 17mm socket to remove the sway bar link nut and sway bar bracket to access the lower bolt. Loosen and remove the top 3 assembly nuts with a 14mm socket. Loosen and remove the bottom bolt with a 19mm socket and wrench. Remove the old assembly. Install the new assembly. Finger tighten one nut to hold the assembly in place. Then install the other 2 and tighten all 3. Install the bottom bolt. Install the sway bar bracket and link nut. Install the wheel. Then tighten the lug nuts with a torque wrench. Repeat on the other side and move to the rear. For the rear, raise the vehicle and remove the wheel using the same safety procedures as the front. You may want to put the jack under the knuckle here for support. All the bolts and nuts on the rear are 19mm. Remove the bottom bolt and nut. Remove the top bolt and nut. Remove the old shock. Install the new shock. Install the top bolt. Install and tighten the bottom bolt and nut. Tighten the top bolt and nut. Install the wheel. Repeat on the other side and you're done. We recommend going for a test drive, getting an alignment check, and enjoying your new suspension.